Fix in 5. P0522. Engine oil pressure too low. ECM detects oil pressure below minimum THR. If your scanner threw this, here's exactly what's going on and what to do. Pull over and deal with this. The light isn't bluffing. First, the symptoms. Check engine light, ML, illuminated oil pressure warning light on dashboard, engine ticking or knocking noise from valves and bearings, loss of engine power, possible engine stall during driving. Now the most likely causes. Defective or malfunctioning oil pressure sensor. Insufficient engine oil level, below minimum. Worn or clogged oil pump with reduced flow. Clogged oil filter or restriction in lubrication circuit. Defective wiring or corroded sensor connector. What does it cost? Roughly 35 to 120 euros, sensor, plus 15 to 30 euros, olio e filtro, doing it yourself, or 155 to 240 euros, sensor plus manodopera 1.5H, plus 15 to 30 euros, olio e filtro at a workshop. Rates vary by country. How to fix it? Replace engine oil and filter if worn. Verify compliance with correct viscosity specification, e.g. SAE 5W30. Clean or replace oil filter and verify oil pump integrity. Replace defective oil pressure sensor. The scanner and parts I'd use are linked below. How common is it? Reported on 532 models. People also ask, is it safe to drive with P0522? Driving with P0522 active is not recommended. This is a high-severity issue that could lead to engine damage, safety risks, or sudden vehicle shutdown. Have the vehicle inspected immediately. Quick one for the professionals. TroubleAtlas Pro is your whole workshop in one app. Get cited by AI when drivers nearby look for a pro, fast fault code diagnosis, full vehicle data from the VIN, parts and tire prices, and client management with PDF quotes. And one for the manufacturers. Make a device? Put it to the test. TroubleAtlas runs an independent evaluation on a fixed, public protocol, gives it an honest score out of 10, and an official seal you can license for your own marketing. We test the product, we never sell the score. And every certificate is verifiable on our site. Apply at TroubleAtlas.com/TroubleAtlas certified. That's P0522. The full guide and every related code are on TroubleAtlas. Links below. Subscribe, new fixes every week, and keep your dashboard quiet.